If you are making a design in Microsoft Word and want to make something different, for example curved text, but you don't know how. The method is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you like it. First of all, write the text that we will later curve and select the text. Then go to the Insert menu and select Word Art, then select the desired Word Art shape. After that, the Shape Format menu will appear. Pay attention to the Word Art Styles section. In Word Art Styles, select Text Effect, then several effect shapes will appear. Select Transform. Then several curved effects will appear that you can use according to your needs. Choose one and the text will automatically curve following the selected effect. So how easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.